Hello.
You're not continue running?
Look, I know how to turn that. Okay, Sabadi.
Yeah, in my white tee. Yeah, all the white wheels for the high trees.
China.
She gon' white you before you white me. My boxes of checks, not my Nikes. That's not no white tee. Got them bamboozled like a fight. More than Google, just
It's
a
so
crime.
beautiful view.
I just call her day to get a high tee.
Incredible, it's general.
Start the label just to sign me. Chase connected like we Siamese. I feel like a crime spree. Talk to me nicely. I see his face. Yeah, on his white tee.
You look so beautiful.
Yeah, all the white people.
Oh,
Like
good.
friends. Partners in his hands. He was tight, man.
Oh, now it's so much better.
I told him to get up. I went on the stand, told the judge, pat my cup. Ran up 20 million for the devil, keep the look. Keep the hope. I'll keep the smoke, talk to me nice, keep her on the chain, that ain't right. That's with no strings, you can't hide it. Yeah, I'm higher than a plane, I'm with
I can see.
yep, in my sky. Pretty in his thing. Yellow frozen face. We don't want no nothing. Yep, in my white tee. All the white friends for the high tee. They don't white you before you white me. I'm about to get what's on my Nike.
Think out. It's so beautiful.
Hi. I got Namoy, but it looks really brown. I think so it's not sugarcane season anymore because last sugarcane I got tasted the worst. I don't understand. I never tasted it like this before. It tasted like, my friend said that it was moldy. One of my friends tasted it and it didn't taste good at all. So now I got this one and I don't want to, if it's going to taste the same, I don't know. I should taste it. Okay, I'll taste it. It tastes like one step further before the other one, what it tasted like. So I think maybe it's just a sign that sugarcane season is finished and now it's pineapple season. Also, I changed my hair. I'm on this journey with my hair. It feels so nice. It's so curly. I have really curly hair, but I think my hair is a bit like, I don't know, I just want to get more in tune with my natural pattern. And I like the breeze on my hair, and I like when it rains and I can feel my curls getting curly in the rain. I like it being out and open. I had my hair in the twist, which was okay. Sometimes they look crazy, sometimes they look neat and pretty, but I don't care. It's just however I decide to roll out of bed that day. But yeah, I'm about to turn 24 years old, so this is just a part of it. The thing about my birthday is when I was 17, I was looking forward to turning 18. When I was 18, I was looking forward to turning 21. When I was 21, I was looking forward to, I don't know, now I'm about to turn 24 and I'm okay. I'm happy. I don't need to look forward to 25, look forward to 30. I just want to allow life to happen to me and just continue to just live each day and not have this pressure about, oh, you're this age and you need to be this number or you need to have this or that or whatever, Yeah, so along with that, I'm changing a lot of things. I'm changing my hair, a lot of my habits, my routines, my location. All month I've been just editing videos and trying to sort through all these videos. I've been just dived in my computer because I want to have these videos finished and have this pressure to have these videos put out the next week to keep up with algorithms or something, but I don't care anymore, which is kind of risky, but it's just me in life, taking risks. So I'm very happy about that, and yeah, my hair, I don't know, it's really crazy right now. I don't know, it's growing really fast, but my point was just, I just want to get more. I like the way my natural hair feels. It's so soft and curly, and it smells so good, and I feel so mature, and I just feel different. I just wanted to feel different. And I'm done talking now. Oh, also, today I'm getting roller skates, which I'm super excited. Me and my friend Jeannie are going to pick them up. I look cute, yeah? My hair looks really cute. My hair was longer than this, and I didn't appreciate it when it was at its best, at its prime time, when it was at its finest. The curls are popping, the afro was huge. I didn't appreciate it. And I let this lady, like, I went to Paris, and so if you see some of my other videos, I have like blonde hair, and I don't know, you know, girls just want to have fun, yeah. I don't know. I got blonde hair, and then it's actually kind of, my attention was cute, actually. It was, yeah, okay. But the lady, she just was like, she did not care about my hair at all. I don't need anybody's hands in my hair, you know. It's your energy, your hair is you, if you want to think of it like that. I think of it like that, you know. Be nice. It's just, don't touch my, like, she was like, psh, 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 psh. And I was like, damn, this hurts. Like, for a whole week of my travel. France, yeah, I was in France, and then I went to London, and then I went to Amsterdam. And I had these in my hair, and the whole week of me traveling, I couldn't sleep. It was so painful. And I was like, oh, God. This is my last week in Luang, I feel like I say Luang. This is my last week in Luang Prabang, and I feel like it's gonna be like a graduation. I feel like it's gonna be like, I'm gonna cry. I'm ready to leave, and it's like I never envisioned myself. Like, I can't stay here forever, so like, yeah, I have to go. But I'm excited to go, but I'm excited. I studied this thing online before that said that nervousness and excitement, when you're scared of something and when you're excited for something, it's the same feeling. It's the same thing. Your body doesn't know the difference. It's the same emotional reaction. The time is now. Like, I think it's time to flip over a new leaf. And I think there's more waiting for me. My plan is to move to Europe, to the Netherlands. I'll say that. I love the feeling of traveling. I feel like that's the only thing that I know is traveling. And this is the most that I've traveled in my entire life. But even as growing up, I was traveling. I was never really in one place for a really long time. And I just like that. I like to, when I was 17 years old, everyone in high school, I'll be sleeping on the desk, taking my morning nap, and people are like, what are you going to be? What school are you going to? And I'm just like, you want me, what? I'm trying to sleep. Why are you asking me all these questions? Like, my friends are like roaming around like bees, trying to figure out, like, the whole senior year, everybody's like trying to figure out, oh, college, and like, you're not even learning anything your 12th grade year. It's only about preparation for college. The whole 12th grade year is only talking about college. I had one class, and I realized that. When I realized that the whole 12th grade year is only to talk about college, I was like, I'm gonna go to work, so can I just take this one class that I need to take? I only needed to take one class, I think, which was, I don't know, it was, I think, senior English or senior math, or it was like one requirement, actual requirement for the 12th grade year, one. That's how I was able to leave at 10 o'clock in the morning. I went to school at 7 and I finished at 10 for my 12th grade year. Because I'm like, look, I'm not even thinking, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to go to college. I don't know. But I have a job and I want this money, so I know that. So I left school at 10 o'clock in the morning, and every day, actually, I didn't even have to go to work until 5 o'clock at night. My job, I worked at that job for 2 years already. I worked at that job since I was in the 10th grade, or like late 10th grade, early 11th grade. No, 11th grade. I worked at that job in 10th grade. I don't know. And so when I got to senior year, like every day I worked at that job since 10th grade. I already been there for 2 years. My 2-year schedule already was me going in to work at 5, but I just told my school. But sometimes, like very random, it was just like if it's available, if somebody calls out or something, then they will call me. So I was able to get out of school just in case I needed to go to work. But every day anyway, I went to work at 5, but also got more hours and more money if I was available during the day. So I was like, I'm available during the day, give me money. And then so when I graduated high school, I moved to California. But but I would be sleepy because sometimes I get off work at night and then I stay up studying about, not school, but I was just studying about my future. I was thinking like, what do I want to be? How am I going to be? What do I want to be? What do I need to do to get that? But sometimes like my friends, like, they're not friends, just the people. Sometimes they like wake me up. Like, I remember like this one girl, she's like tapping me on the shoulder. What school are you going to? I'm like, did you just wake me up for that? Everybody's like running around asking, what school are you going to? It just got finished raining. Roller skates. I'm so excited. Oh my god, these are so big. This is so fun. I'm so excited. It's my birthday gift to myself because I'm turning 24, and what better thing to do than roller skate until your 24th birthday, right? This is so fun. I'm never walking ever again in my life. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I got this bucket of coffee.
Okay.
Not for no shoulder up, them jack boys open cleaners up. The way they fold it up, yeah, in my white tee. Yeah, they gon' wipe you before you wipe me. Yeah, I do the checks, now my checks, now my.
I be